up, Pandit? And can you imagine कितने टाइम बाद I am live on Amazon? Yes, I am absolutely live here with you guys. और मैं बता दूं कि आज तो मेरा इंटरेस्टिंग लाइव होने वाला है क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी 1 घंटे 1.5 घंटे से बैठी हुई हूँ और मैंने इतना तो बना लिया है इस पीस को. ये क्या है, ये लाइव क्यों है, किस चीज के बारे में है, बहुत सारी बातें हम आज करने वाले हैं. द नेक्स्ट 55 minutes होगा ना. Yes, I am here with you for इतना सारा टाइम. So hi, I am here. Let's get started. आज का जो लाइव है वो like always बहुत बहुत स्पेशल है. And in this particular live, I am going to be talking about this particular brand जिसका नाम है लेगो. कितने लोगों को इस ब्रांड के बारे में पता है? आई थिंक सबको पता है, सबने कहीं ना कहीं देखा है, सुना है और सोचा है कि ले नहीं ले, क्यों ले, क्या प्लस है, माइनस. वैसे ऑनेस्टली कोई है ही नहीं, तो आई विल नॉट इवन झूठे मुंह, यू नो मी, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू रिव्यूज ऑल्सो. आई विल टेल यू ऑनेस्टली कि ये अच्छा है या ये बुरा है, इसका ये प्लस है और ये माइनस है. बट इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट का कोई माइनस है ही नहीं. इट्स ऑल लाइक win-win-win situation. And what is the USP of Lego? Let me tell you that it is a product, it is a game, it is something that anyone from any age group can use. Like you can actually play with this particular, I don't even want to say toy because toy बहुत ही frivolous sound करता है, whereas this is ये serious business है boss. It's not like for fun. I can't see anything. So point is, hi Satyam, how are you? भाई लेगो के बारे में सुना है कि नहीं सुना है? मैं थोड़ा सा वेट करने वाली हूँ जिसके पहले मतलब मैं चाहती हूँ थोड़े से और लोग ज्वाइन कर ले फटाफट एंड देन वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट एंड यू नो डिस्कसिंग. और फिर मैं आपको ये भी दिखाऊंगी जो मैंने बनाया है. काफी देर से मैं बैठ के इसको पजल को मतलब सारे पीसेस को एक साथ व्यून कर रही हूँ, लॉक कर रही हूँ. एंड फर्स्ट दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट जो 1.5 साल के बच्चे से लेकर 99 इयर्स तक के एज का इंसान यूज कर सकता है. यू कैन सी यहाँ पे काफी चीजें बिखरी पड़ी है, पर ये बहुत फिर भी मैंने असेंबल करके बिखरी हैं. दे आर नॉट ऑल ओवर द प्लेस, बट ट्रस्ट मी आधे टाइम तो आपको लग जाएगा. लेगो के इतने सारे पीसेस होते हैं जिनको हम असेंबल करते हैं एंड वी यू नो वर्क ऑन इट. सो yes, here I am talking to you, I'm showing you this is Lego. And what is this is a game that I've got for myself and not for Naisha. पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि लेगो शुरू कैसे हुआ और कैसे क्या मतलब यू नो हाउ इट केम इनटू माय लाइफ. तो पहले मैं बता दूं कि मेरी लाइफ में कैसा है. मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा है दैट आई हैड अ डॉटर. सबको पता है वो 3 साल की होने लग गई एंड सडनली व्हेन शी वाज 1.5 लॉट ऑफ पीपल टोल्ड मी कि अरे यार लेगो क्लासेस में भेजना चाहिए. आई एम लाइक व्हाट इज लेगो क्लासेस, हाउ डज इट हेल्प, मतलब सीन क्या है इसका. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग अबाउट इट एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड दिस इज क्रेजी because it really works on your imagination, it kind of really works on your creativity and it really enhances all these qualities that is required. Let's start from the top. The basic benefits of Lego. These are small puzzle pieces which are to be put together and you know when we try to assemble it, it really sparks your imagination. It just kind of you know helps you build up and all of that. So just go to the top and very slowly we will move ahead with this live because मैं काफी देर से इसको इतने सारे पीसेस को असेंबल करने में ना बहुत टाइम लगा है और इतना सारा मैस था. बट यस, सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल्स टोल्ड मी कि यार ये था अगर आप अपने बच्चे को लेगो बचपन से कराते हो देन इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स देम इन मैथ्स एंड लॉजिकल ब्रेन को एक्टिवेट करता है एंड इट इज अ ग्रेट प्ले टाइम. इट्स वेरी एंगेजिंग एंड आई वेंट फॉर वन ऑफ द क्लासेस एंड आई थॉट कि यार ये क्या है. दे आर जस्ट सिटिंग विद ब्लॉक्स एंड दे आर जस्ट यू नो playing and they're putting some like you know blocks together. So yeah, I was like, does this even work? How does it work? But yes, it does. It helps build their imagination, and the fact that ये सारी चीज़ें ये अलग करते हैं फिर assemble करते हैं और इतना टाइम जाता है. And let me tell you, ये सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए नहीं है, it is for adults too. It is such a great time that you can have, like parent-child bond के लिए it really works. It helps you in focusing better. It is just something that बहुत सारे multiple brain levels पे ये आपको help करता है. So yes, anyone who has any questions, do ask me, and I'm going to just start from the first product itself. Now we are here. ये है Lego Harry Potter hat, and this is how the box looks. Can you imagine इसमें कितने pieces है? पहले कोई guess करके मुझे बता दे. How many pieces do you think this Lego has? I think मैंने 500 तो almost जोड़ दिए हैं, and और बहुत सारा बाकी है. But this is for 18 plus people. Like I said, ये एक ऐसा product है that is amazing. Like I do it, and मेरी daughter बस मुझे observe करती है. So the first Lego set that I bought for Anisha was a Duplo. Now what is a Duplo? वो सबसे ज़्यादा toddler category में आता है for in Lego, which is like for kids जिसके blocks बहुत बड़े होते हैं. आप ये देख सकते हैं, they are very such tiny pieces. Of course, like a child cannot just assemble this. अभी काफ़ी देर से मैं assemble कर रही थी, तो मैंने कहा थोड़ा सा तो break ले लूँ और इसके बारे में मैं आपको बताऊँ. तो मैंने break तो लिया है और अब मैं I'm going to assemble some of this and show you कि ये होता कैसे है, ये करते कैसे हैं, and why is it so important. ये देखिए, ये गया यहाँ, एक पीस लगाया, क्योंकि by the end of this live हम इसको खत्म करेंगे for sure, and I'm going to show that to you. So I have done my sorting bit, and here I am. Oh, ये गया एक पीस इधर. This I will put here, and I will tell you one thing, that there are just these so many tiny pieces. गिर जाए, गुम जाए, खो जाए तो पता चलेगा कि कितना मुश्किल होता है इन्हें ढूंढना. But Lego is not just a game, it is, or it's not just a puzzle solving या हम blocks बना रहे हैं. They're not like you're not playing with blocks. You're really working on multiple levels for yourself. It is very engaging. It's addictive, I will say, क्योंकि एक बार अगर आपको Lego बनाने की आदत लगे ना, बस वो कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. बिकॉज हमारे घर में एक प्रॉपर टेबल है where mom and my niece, they sit together and they make Lego for hours, and she's in college. Trust me, इससे ज़्यादा productive time नहीं हो सकता किसी के लिए, to spend with your child or your nephew or your niece. So yes, absolutely. Hi Apurv, how are you? Hi Sabah. Sabah has been asking me so many times, कब आ रहे हो लाइव, कब आ रहे हो लाइव. मैं लाइव हूँ यार. अच्छा Sabah, tell me one thing. I'm sure you're going to tell me, and Apurv, tell me, how many of you have worked with Lego? देखो मेरा एक पीस गिर गया. Please, I'm just going to pick it up. Wait guys, I'm going to pick it up. Here I am. Can you just still then show them the product? Stop scrolling so fast. Yeah, so I'm here, and this is my piece जो मैं ढूंढ के लेकर आ गई. So I'm going to put it back right here. Oh, we're building this. Now let me tell you how Lego started, because now I've seen a lot of people have joined in, and you want to know. So firstly, it started in Denmark. That too in 1931, August 10th. Can you imagine? Like इतने सालों पुराना tradition है. और जो हम sustainability की बात करते हैं अभी, वो अब लोग कह रहे हैं wooden blocks होने चाहिए, but actually Lego started with wooden blocks. And जो इसका सबसे important talking point है is the interlocking system. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाँ मैं बहुत दिनों बाद आया हूँ. ली के बम. Okay, hi. सब अपने innovative नाम लगाते हैं Amazon में. Okay guys, so even if you have any questions about Lego, please ask me. I'm here for the next 1 hour almost. And we will be making this chita piece together and talking about Lego. So क्या मैंने आपको बताया? It started with actually wooden blocks, and it was a company जो interlocking wooden systems बनाती थी, and it used to create something. then they realized कि यार ये wood में ना हम छोटे pieces जो अब कर रहे हैं, it's falling apart, and that's when it kind of moved to plastic. But this is like 100% safe. It's very very high grade plastic. It's not the cheap plastic जो आपको मतलब मिलता है, जिसके against मैं भी हूँ, and I'm good. Magnetic Legos are also fun, absolutely. So this input, like when you guys give me now, it's so nice because so many types of Legos are there. Like for toddlers, we have Duplo. Then you move ahead, then there are different themes. There is a Lego city that you can play with, and it really kind of oh, देखो ये मैं लगाने लग गई ना. अब यहाँ पर आपको मैं छोटी छोटी चीज़ें दिखाती हूँ. What I love about Lego. So like I said, जो plastic quality है वो बहुत high grade है. It has nothing which is very very sustainable, and it is made on this interlocking thing कि जो puzzle जहाँ पे जाना है वो वहीं पर जाएगा. It is very very easy to use, and now you know we're in this whole digital world, right? तो सब चीज़ हम ना फोन पे, लाइक अब आप ये लाइव देख सकते हो और मुझसे बातें कर सकते हो आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम. यस यस, दिस इज हैरी पॉटर फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लव दिस द हैरी पॉटर सीरीज? कितने किसने पढ़ा है, देखा है, बुक्स पढ़ी है? लाइक आई रिमेंबर collecting the books and I was so intrigued, and then when I saw this जो Lego में available था, I said, can you imagine, like it's going to be so much fun because मैं once Anasha grows up a bit, थोड़ा बहुत उसने Harry Potter के clips देखे, she knows the characters because I like it, and then I was like, let me pick this up because I want to build a Harry Potter hat on my own, and also ये बातें करता है. Can you imagine, बातें करता है. It says 31 different sounds which we are going to explore today for sure because we want to know कि ये sound कहाँ से आता है, कैसे आता है, and why is Lego so interesting, and why there are so many, you know, there are so many features about it, and a lot of people get confused कि यार ये इतना महंगा क्यों है? ये महंगा नहीं है boss, it's an investment. It is an investment that you make for yourself, for your kid, and it really really helps. I don't know किस को पता है इस live में. If anyone knows about Lego classes, do let me know. And has it benefited you? Hi Rizwan. Yes, the cheap ones break super quickly, but a Lego, it's not going to break ever. Like, you can actually make a Lego library. You know, it caters to, like I said, all age groups, at different themes, interests that are there. It focuses on sustainability and recycling. Plus, सबसे amazing feature है जिसके बारे में I'm sure आप जानना चाहते होंगे, is that now it is available digitally also. So there are these Lego apps. It's like a game, like where you kind of put things together and you can download it and you can see how it is going and how it's operated, and it is so much fun. जो क्वालिटी यहाँ मिलेगी वो आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. और क्वालिटी और लेगो के बारे में बात करने से पहले तक मुझे ये अपने क्यूट से छोटी छोटी चीजें दिख गई, which is a small sword and a cup. Now let's see where this goes. See, दिमाग लगाना होता है. It's not that easy. कहाँ जाएगा? नहीं. Oh God, ये मैंने निकाल दिया. इसको मैंने लगाया था. So I've kind of put it all together. See, I'm going to put it again. This sword is going to actually go here. And this cup is going to go here. Can you see that? And this जो मैंने निकाला है, इसको मैं दोबारा अंदर डालने वाली हूँ because it is very important for all the systems to be in place. कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है मैंने. I will sort it out while I am talking to you. So please tell me any Lego stories that you have or anything that you want to know about. And yeah, let's talk about it. See, like the way it fits in together now is fantastic. Like I feel that's the thing, like that's the USP. So yeah guys, let's keep going. इसका जो lock है ये है. Oh God, ये दो तो pieces लगा दी मैंने, अब और भी है. Okay. So there are a lot of online quizzes also that take place when it comes to Lego. So I'm going to put this now here. and this is locked and this is locked. ये मैंने ना कुछ तो भी हटाया है और this little thing here I'm going to put it here and see. So that's what I said. मैं पिछले 2 घंटे से बैठ के ना लेगो बना रही हूँ, तो आप सोच सकते हो कि कितना interesting होगा ये in its own ways, because when I stopped working full time I realized that I wanted to productively use my time. And आजकल जो ये बच्चे फोन देखते रहते हैं, it's so irritating. And मुझे लगता है कि हमको उनको थोड़ा give them something in hand to utilize their time and just work on themselves and spend quality time with them. And I think this product solves that purpose. In fact, there are these Lego clubs where people get together and they discuss, because there are so many different themes that are there, and there are, chahe wo gaadiyan ho, chahe wo transportation ho, you can build it. And it is a collective item, I would say. It's not like कि आपने एक बार देखा और आपको अच्छा लगा और फिर ये टूट गया और हमने इसको फेंक दिया. It's not like that. That is why it's priced like that, because it's going to stay with you for a really, really long time, and it's not just going to bounce. So yes, you're going to keep this. Like I'm going to keep this hat forever जब तक मैं 90 की, and I would love to see when I grow it if I can break it and again make it. So yeah, these little things I think really matter and are very, very important. So yes, let's keep going and keep discovering the other things that are so important. Just see, ये जो मैं उतनी देर से अपना दिमाग लगा रही थी ना, मिल गया मुझे. ये यहाँ है, right? मैंने सही जगह इसको fix कर दिया है. So let's now talk about this again, and let me just go through some pointers of क्या क्या है इसके अंदर. Okay, so firstly, it is priced at 9,899 rupees. I know it might sound expensive, but trust me, for a Lego like this, it's super cheap. And in fact, the summer sale is on. So what are you waiting for? आपको मतलब miss नहीं करना ये opportunity, because there's some great deals and discounts that are happening right now when it comes to Lego. So it is for 18 plus people. Saying that, I would say you should still make it in front of your child's eyes, so that they also get interested and develop that interest. It has sounds. Can you imagine? 31 different sounds are there. वो मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी. Oh, मैंने वापस इसको निकाल दिया, but मैं आपको सुनाऊंगी for sure. So there are different sounds in this. There are 2 ways to activate it. So yeah, and this is a great feature. Let's quickly see. I'm going to make this. ये पूरा बना दूँ पहले कि आगे बढ़ूँ और बातें करूँ दूसरे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. But any questions जो आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, आप सोच रहे हो अरे आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, about Lego, how it came into being. Like I said, it started from wooden blocks and then moved. There is a huge, there's a huge production of Lego. Also, let me tell you one more thing. हम towards the end of the live एक game खेलने वाले, where we will be playing like a little quiz. Your live is live going on same time. Yes, it's absolutely going on the same time. So we are going to be playing a game together. I'm going to be asking you some questions. So stay with me, and if you have any questions, please ask me. इतने सारे लोग लाइव देख रहे, कोई चैट क्यों नहीं कर? जल्दी से खूब सारे questions फेंको मेरी तरफ, and I'm going to catch them and I'm going to answer them for sure. So ये रहा ये, and I'm going to just also move and finish my Lego, because I think it's very important too. जिस तरीके से, जिस स्पीड से मैं आपसे बातें कर रही हूँ ना, अगर मैं इसी स्पीड पे चलती रही, मेरा Lego तो ख़त्म ना होना, तो इसलिए मुझे ये ख़त्म करना भी ज़रूरी है. अच्छा, सबसे अमेजिंग बात है कि इसका इंटरलॉकिंग सिस्टम इतना सही है ना कि अगर आपने सही जगह नहीं डाला इसको तो वो नहीं आएगा फिट, चाहे आप कुछ भी कर लो. This will go here and I'm gonna put it. So yeah, I am just figuring it out and I am just putting it all together so that you guys can have some fun looking at me. I hope you are, or you're not. Tell me. अगर आपके ना ये वाली बात है कि अगर आपको एक बार लेगो की आदत पड़ गई ना, तो फिर तो छूटने से रही बॉस. It is so addictive, and I think it is the right kind of addiction to have, because this will really take you a long way in life. And I am really looking at building a whole collection for myself, for my daughter. ये मैं इसको दूंगी, like वो बोलते हैं ना जब आपने क्या दिया, this is going to be my one of those things that I'm going to gift her. The whole collection that we've made together, and we've built so many memories, you know, to cherish. And I think these are the things that, you know, stay with you when it comes to life in general over a period of time. So let's just close this. Okay, here this will go. I'm going to close this here. लग दिख रहा है आपको अच्छे से कि नहीं दिख रहा है? And then this, I think I have managed quite a bit.
Better be Gryffindor.
Okay, that was enough for the starting bit of this piece. You want to try it again? You want to show it? Let's go.
Yes, clearly Gryffindor.
Like I said, ये देखो, ये मैंने लगाया ही नहीं, अभी पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, मैं कंप्लीट करूंगी हाँ इसको.
Ravenclaw.
You heard that? And with like different sounds, guys. It's not like
Ravenclaw.
it's against a Ravenclaw, but then it's gonna say something else.
Ravenclaw.
Okay. Change. After some time, it's gonna say something else. Yeah. Now I liked it at the same time. Oh, nice. So yeah, you can't beat a Lego. It is not a Lego. I would say it's a legacy, and you must check it out. It is for adults. It is something that, you know, old people के लिए तो especially after 60 अगर कोई है घर पे and your parents are there, just get them a set of Lego. You'll really be sorting their life out, because I remember कहते हैं ना सुडोकू करना चाहिए और कुछ activities करनी चाहिए, but nothing beats a Lego. Once they get used to playing with Lego, they will really using their brains. At the same time, dementia या ऐसी चीजें ना कभी नहीं होने वाली. Because this, the way it, and it is not me who's saying it, there's a lot of research that has gone into it, and that states that this is how this, and all the products that you see in my cart also, it helps. So, yep, here we are. Let's quickly, any questions about this Harry Potter? मैं वापस आके खत्म करूँगी, please. I want to chat with you guys for a little bit. So, any other questions that you have? Let me just quickly move to the Star Wars R2-D2 set, which is amazing. Okay, it's like the BAP of, that's so cool. Thank you, Ankar. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, that you looking like Manjulika today, like really you guys have to like, yeah, because actually पता है यही सच्चाई है. जब आप लेगो बनाने लग जाते हो ना, तो आप बनाते बनाते इतने पागल हो जाते हो that it kind of reflects in your personality. So let me tell you about this new product that I have just, you know, tagged. नीचे जाओ and Lego Star Wars को check out करो, because this is going to be my next buy. And I'm looking at your chats right now because I've taken a break from building, and I'm going to go back to that, don't worry. So it has got 1050 pieces, guys. 1050 pieces, बहुत crazily assemble करना पड़ेगा. It's for 49,999, but because the summer sale is on Amazon, you are getting a 32% discount. 32% is huge when it comes to Lego. Like, I know this child who has a collection, a room of Lego, and he's a like बोलते ना super smart kid, जो जिसको phone की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जिसको चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just give him his Lego and he's sitting and he's making. Like I said, Dublo is the collection. Is the Lego Dublo is for toddlers, जो basically 1.5 साल के बच्चों से लेकर 5-6 साल तक आप they can play with that. And then there is Lego City, and then there are like, you know, these other things that come and play. So this is for the one that I have right now tagged नीचे Star Wars वाला. It's for 10 plus kids. So always check out the age group. But if your child has been trained in Lego and they're playing, then I think even if they're 8, they can solve it or they can spend time with it. You can see right here hand motor mechanics. Yes, Sabha, wow, yaar, it is, yeah. Your motor skills get really developed because, and your memory becomes sharper, you become good in maths. So yes, so you can just start from that collection, and then once they develop that interest, you know that आप बाहर जा रहे हो 1 घंटे के लिए लेगो देखा जा रहे हो, बच्चा वहीं का वहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि जब मैं मुझे 2 घंटे से यहाँ बैठी, I can imagine that, you know, what will happen with the child. They get really intrigued, and of course it ignites that sense of accomplishment, achievement, that happiness that you get. Like, जब बोलते हैं आप एक टास्क खत्म करते हैं, I can't tell you, मुझे एक टाइम पे ना इसका नीचे का एक पजल नहीं मिल रहा था, दिमाग खराब हो रहा था, मुझे लग रहा था कि कहाँ जाएगा. I was reading the booklet and I was doing that, but the moment I got it, I just felt so good. Like, it just gives you that feeling of happiness and a sense of achievement, I think, which is very, very important. So yes, it was, this particular product was very expensive, but right now it is on a discount. It's on a 30, I can't, this thing, yeah, it's a great summer sale is on, so it's on a 32% discount. So guys, please shop for it. Thank you, Vijay MRG, for following me. It really makes a difference. And yeah, oh, then we have got so many other things coming. So this includes also the iconic attachable parts like the third leg radar, the tool, 360-degree rotatable head, like इसमें जैसे ये
Gryffindor.
sound है उसका, the whole head kind of rotates, and there's a display set that consists of R2 and D2, and yeah, the figures, this was 25th Death Mark mini figure है ये पूरा, and yeah, it's very flexible, it's easy to build. It's not easy, yaar, it is all easy once you get used to it, to be very honest. So yes, I'm going to get this particular collection for Anasha, and I'm going to tell her about the movie, and we will discuss and we will talk about it, and I will make it in front of her, because a lot of times kids just copy you. So yeah, you have to let them imagine. In fact, जो इसका जो digital वाला platform है, I'll tell you how they started designing Legos. Let's talk about that also. I think it's no, of course, Sabha, the classes start from 1.5 years of age, where there are grades for Lego. So you have a nursery in Lego, you have a junior KG in Lego, and then it goes on to like how education is. So yeah, there's a lot of research that has gone into it, and the right age to start or expose your child to these blocks is 1.5, and the batch goes till 5, and then again you can re-enroll. But I feel yes, hello kiddo, hi Vipul Kataria, so sweet, thank you, hi, how are you? And yeah, Lego can actually, like I've said 100 times, and I'm going to say it 100 times over again, is that it helps in your child's brain development. It helps them focus better. It is the sense of accomplishment. They feel like they've achieved something. Focus or concentration में बहुत help करता है. So it is very important to let them expose them to this. Plus, I feel it's a great bonding time. So yeah, and I'm going to continue with making this, and tell me, check out the Star Wars set and tell me how it is, and if you liked it or you didn't like it, or any questions you have about it, do ask me, because I am here to answer that for sure. So oi, ye kahan gaya mera? So I'm gonna just right now build this up. Iske oi, ye dekho na, and see, just look at the pieces, just dekho ye. Can you see the quality? लग रहा है ये आपको, दिख रहा है ये? Just look at him. He's so cute, man. What are these two things in his hand? Oh, जो मैंने sword और cup डाला था वो भी हो सकता है इसके हाथ में. I can give him one cup and one sword also. Yeah, that's what it is. Amazing. Yeah, Lego का जो नाम था, it came from Legod, which means play well. So of course you have to play well, and I really feel that we need to, like, I was so excited to be a part of this live, because I think it's so important for people to know about different kinds of toys, different kinds of activities that you can do with your child that actually helps your child grow, and helps them focus better and do better in life. हाय विपुल, हाय, कैसे हैं आप? और कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं आप सबके पास तो मुझसे पूछे, एंड जो इसके नेक्स्ट वाला सेट आ रहा है वो तो मेरा फेवरेट है. किस किसने बचपन में पैकमैन खेला है? पहले ये बता दो, बचपन में, जवानी में. एंड अगेन द ग्रेट समर सेल इज ऑन, सो दिस इज ऑन अ ह्यूज डिस्काउंट ऑफ 35%. सो 30,000 की चीज अभी आपको 19,499 में मिलने वाली है. सो if at all आप सोच रहे थे तो सोचो मत, सीधे जाओ and just buy this, because this one is really iconic. I would say it's iconic because it's amazing. It's the Pac-Man set and it's going to be like so much fun. Like this is of course going to be my next order, because just making it and keeping it in my child's room is going to give me so much happiness, or even in my room for all I care. It's going to give me so much of happiness that I can't tell you. And this has, okay, it's unbelievable, but this has 2,651 pieces. Yes. So it is like, can you imagine? And you know the best part about this is the interlocking system of Lego. Yeah, it's crazy good. Like अगर ये ऐसे इसके बीच में जाना है तो ये वैसे ही जाएगा. You cannot do it any other way, and that's what is the crux. So I'm also building on now because I want to finish this as well, and then I have to show it to you as well. So, oh देखो मैंने कुछ तो करा है गड़बड़, कुछ करा है गड़बड़? नहीं, I think I'm fine. So yeah, it's a very unique interlocking system that you have in Lego that one must understand and work on. So here you go, 4 pieces. I'm still trying to figure कि कहाँ जाने हैं. चलो कुछ तो दिमाग में आएगा and I will figure it out, and we will move ahead. But to make this was a task, and this particular Pac-Man edition has actually like 2,600 pieces. So it's for 18 plus again. It includes a display case with rotatable Pac-Man blinky and slide figures, and a 1980s arcade scene with gaming mini figures. So it has a retro feature, 4 ways of joystick inside the cabinet. So आप इसको चाहो details देखो. I don't know if there is a video available on it. Madam Kara started following. Hi, thank you. There is no video available on it right now, but I think I would love to show it to you. I will do maybe a live on YouTube or something, assemble it and show it to you once I achieve it for sure. So yeah, do follow me on Amazon, do follow me on Instagram, YouTube, wherever, and we can discuss this. Yeah, it's a computer game. It's so much fun, right? We've all played it. And just imagine Lego may having Pac-Man. In fact, Lego has all these new themes. Like Anisha got a gift of Frozen, right? So you just like become like a child again when you get these cute games, and so it's really nice and makes a lot of difference. So any questions, anything? चलो मेरे को अब कुछ तो क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं, थोड़े बहुत सवाल जवाब कर लेते हैं कि नहीं करें, बाद में करें. बताओ जल्दी. Who all are interested in answering some questions? So actually I'll tell you, how did Lego start? Lego started with imagination, of course. It started digitally. जब they used to actually plan it, like कि कुछ चीज़ों को साथ में लगाया, सोचा कि I'm going to make this particular piece. So first a drawing was done. Then it was digitalized. Then the pieces are broken up digitally and see how they will interlock and fit. And then it goes to the product phase. So it's like, oh my God. And also, a lot of people don't know that these Lego experts are really doing well all over the world. And there is a lot of value for Lego, like in that aspect also. हम इंडिया में तो हमें लगता है Lego क्या है यार, यहाँ पे championship हो रही है, लोग they are earning through it. It's actually a proper job. Like for example, I sent Anisha for a Lego class, and the teacher has done a lot of these speeches, and she's made a Lego room, and she's got like grading system and everything, and it is amazing. So I would say कि ज़्यादा time waste मत करो. Maybe you don't want to join the class, but you should explore with the Lego. Just buy it on Amazon right now. The Great Summer Sale is on. You're getting a great deal. थोड़ा सा time spend करो, just buy one set, see how it works for you. If you develop that interest and you're intrigued, then trust me, you're never letting it go. It'll stay with you. Yes, we have spoken about some features that the Pac-Man set has, and looks beautiful to me. Go check it out. Any questions about it, you can always come back and ask me. अभी मैं हूँ आपके साथ. So why Lego over other brands? Let's talk about that. I think it's a very crucial point. though मैंने इतनी बातें कर ली है Lego के बारे में, but let me tell you that the quality a Lego gives, no other brand can give you. That's like, it's unbeatable. So you know, every piece of there is patent. ठीक है, it is combine नहीं कर सकते वो sets. It's all patent pieces that comes. There is authenticity. There are no duplicates of Lego, so it's like absolutely authentic. सबसे amazing बात है कि you know, whatever you love today, there are huge options of Lego that are available. Like I said, like there are so many options available for it. Different themes come, and you know, it's a high value collectible. So it's actually a collectible. Like I said, that I want to collect and I want to make. So every month I buy only one Lego because I feel थोड़ा महंगा है. So I want to invest, and actually एक महीना तो लग ही जाता है for me, like जो मेरे age group में आता है, which is 18 plus, to you know, kind of play with it and make it. And also the digital features that come with Lego, you don't get it with any other brand. Lego blocks ऐसे ही खेलोगे, वो टूट जाएंगे, वो expand हो जाएंगे, and you can't compete with the Lego. Like it is a brand of its own. So yeah, so these are the things I would say do come with a Lego, and that they only come with a Lego. So let's go ahead and talk about the other product that is there, which is the Ferrari. Yeah, can you imagine? Yeah, I'm so excited. I just hope summer sale पे थोड़ा और discount हो जाए यार, इसमें मैं तो कल ही खरीद लूँ. But I'm just waiting. But I thought I should talk about it. School computer classes, we used to play game day. Yes, absolutely. Hi Vipul, hi Apana. Where are you guys? Why are you not chatting? Ritam, are you here? Hello. Yes, I'm going to be talking about this. All the boys in the house, please hands up, because chahe honestly boys or girls, my daughter also loves car games, and she is like wow about it. So this particular piece is of course very, very expensive, but it is a collectible item. And like हमने stakes बढ़ा दी, जैसे ये 500 पीस का था, उसके बाद उसके बाद हम गए 1000 पे, फिर अब हम आ गए हैं फिर हम गए 2000 पे, अब हम आ गए हैं 3786 pieces. Now I'm going to take a break. I'll have a sip of coffee and you guys watch this amazing video on this particular set. I'm excited to watch it too. Yeah, I need to, okay. So like I said, this is for 18 plus, replica of the Daytona SP3. And yeah, it's a Ferrari, iconic curved lines, opening butterfly doors, removable roof, shock absorbers, has movable parts like steering. Wow, I'm just imagining it. Just imagine, like, you know, just the whole thing of having it in my house is going to be like, if anyone wants to, any of my fans want to give me, just give me a Lego right now. Okay, it has movable parts. It has V12 engine and moving pistons. So designed in collaboration with Ferrari. So that's why I said it's not just 55,000 just like that. मतलब इतने पैसे ले रहे हैं तो कुछ दे भी रहे हैं ना सामने से, और इतना amazing car model मिल रहा है आपको. It of course has my heart. The color is stunning. Just imagine the car का thing goes up. Like your child is going to flip. Like अगर आपने किसी बच्चे को बना के दे दिया ना ये, it's going to become like something that they would love to, you know, play with and build. And I think it's so important. Like I said, Lego has a lot of benefits for children and for adults, like older people. Dementia नहीं होगा यार कभी भी. आपका दिमाग इतना यूज़ होता है, मैं बता रही हूँ ना, मेरे कितना दिमाग खर्च हुआ है इसको बनाने में, मुझे पता है. So it has 1262 people reviewing it. So you can imagine, इतने सारे लोगों ने रिव्यू किया है, तो कुछ तो होगा ना, कुछ तो नहीं, बहुत कुछ है इसमें. तो आपने वीडियो देख ही लिया है, and I think yeah, we good to go, and I am going to be making this particular piece, and you can also, like, you know, there are some things that you can do with a Lego, and you must do that. I'm going to finish this piece super fast. देखो ये निकला. Let us finish this piece, and here we go. उसके बाद में next, अरे यार, see this is so nice ना, वैसे ये ऐसे ऐसे turn हो जाता है, so you can just keep it straight also, you can keep it slant also, you just have to place it properly. यार मैं सही तो डाल रही हूँ ना? Yeah, it's here. ये 4 piece. Yeah man, it's done. These I'm not sure if they were here or where were they. I have to still figure it out. This I'm going to figure out, and I'm going to tell you. And then I'm going to fix this hat on top of this, and I am going to have my piece ready. So before I put the last few pieces and we close the deal of, and I feel like I've achieved something, let's talk about the next product. I'm going to check on the UK one. Yes, please do, and get one. I think it's so nice, and of course the prices are slashed thanks to the summer sale. It was for this one was for 50, the Ferrari, right? Okay, the Lamborghini, huh, is now was for 52,999, and now it's for 41,999. क्या बात कर रहे हो, कमाल ही कर दिए. Lamborghini चलाए जाए. Sorry. Yeah, and it's this green color, looks stunning. Oh my god. So yeah, it's got 6,445 reviews. So can you imagine, इतने reviews ना मैंने बहुत कम देखे on Amazon. So of course maybe there are international reviews as well, but a lot of people have used it, loved it, and I think you have to check this one out. It is on a great discount. It is on a 30% discount. Actually right now here on the app I can see 30% discount. It's only for 41,999. It's a must buy. So what all does this car have? इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. It has got a buildable model car, 1/8 scale ratio. अरे ये कार से याद है, आपको पता है जो टायर्स मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं ना, Lego is actually the highest manufacturer of tires for toys. So all these cars have these tires, right? And they kind of manufacture that. So in toys. So that's why also. मैंने कहा चलो ये चीज़ याद आ गई मुझे, मैं बता देती हूँ आपको, को पता होनी चाहिए. So yeah, and just see that, like now this, if you see the bottom of this is gonna go here. Anyways, so let's talk about the this particular model that I have tagged right now. It incorporates movable parts like steering, again, engine, V12 engine, moving piston, front, rear suspension, rear spoilers, Lamborghini scissor doors, those sexy doors, and also 8-speed sequential transmission opening from front and rear hood, detailed disc brakes and golden rims. मैं तो बस इमेजिन ही कर रही हूँ, मेरे को चाहिए ये, कोई दे दो प्लीज़. अभी मैं ऑर्डर करने वाली हूँ ये भी. I think this is actually my lesson, the next one. Yeah, I'm going to order one by one. Exclusive and detailed packaging comes with a collector's booklet. So it is a collector's item. It's not for everybody. You have to be a collector to, you have to invest in these things, right? And I know so many people who like to collect cars, these small toys, and they're Lego collectors, which is like, it's huge. It is something, मतलब auction कर सकते हो बहुत बाद में आप, because you know there are these limited pieces that come on board, and if you have a collection, it's great. So because I'm building mine. So includes a decorative number plate, unique serial number, a stylish bag, provides an advanced and rewarding building experience. Like I said, the building experience is fabulous. So yes, do check that out. And it is now, we're going to be moving ahead. I think the Pego, which is 9x8 Lehman's hybrid hypercar building kit, जो थोड़ा अफोर्डेबल है. तो अगर आपको स्टार्ट करना है ना अभी, और आप सीधे 40-50 हज़ार नहीं डालना चाहते, तो अभी ये चल रहा है समर सेल डिस्काउंट पे, which is an amazing discount because it's 50% discount. 50% is, like I said, huge number of discount. मतलब 50% ऑफ मिलना मतलब किसको कहते हैं. And it is 1775 pieces. सिर्फ मिल रहा है 10,999 का. था 22,000 का, मतलब 21,999, which is like almost half is 10,009. 11,000 लकी नंबर भी है. And 1:10 का स्केल है. मॉडल का रेस कार है ये. And again, it has moving parts like opening doors, front rear suspension, piston engine, has light elements that glow in the dark to capture the atmosphere from there. Wow, bright elements that glow in the dark. That also sounds so good. There was a painting also, yaar, in my cart. I have to check that out, right? There is a painting in the cart, which I wanted to. Vincent van Gogh का painting था शायद. Yeah, we have to get that also. So this is my collection card, which I thought मैं आज Amazon पे live आके आप सबसे share कर लेती हूँ. And I just have 15 minutes left. 10 minutes actually, 10 to 15 minutes left. You know, Lego is a great way to do some common activity, with some friends and family. Just imagine having a group of friends and building a Lego. It is so rewarding and wholesome, yaar. इतना मज़ा आता है. You can just be creative, you can relax, you can connect, you can talk about your interests. And yeah, I really feel that you should start with the kids also. And मेरा तो अभी ये फाइनल हो चुका है कि मैं वो कार वाला मॉडल एक ऑर्डर करने ही वाली हूँ, which is on a 50% discount, because Legos you don't get discount, but because it's Amazon, it's this great summer sale that's on, I'm getting that price and I have nothing to wait. Like I have to just go and quickly put it all in my cart. So before the last product, I think we have one product left. Do you want to do a quiz? जल्दी से बताओ. We can, exactly, Sabha, like a joke, at least we can say we own a Lamborghini. I'm going to say that very soon. अब खरीदूंगी कब originally वो तो मुझे नहीं पता, but yeah, I hope this life. But yeah, the Lego one, you know, कभी कभी ना लाइफ में बहुत सोच समझ के विश करना चाहिए, because I really wish कि all your wishes come true, like whatever I say comes true. So पता चला मैंने भगवान को बोली, भगवान मुझे लंबोर्गिनी दे दो, बस फिर लेगो की मैंने खरीद ली और वो विश कट हो गई. तो मैं ऐसा भी नहीं चाहती. I just thought I'll share some funny things in the middle. But yeah, I'm gonna get it, and for sure. And let's, hello Priyanka GA. It's Pranita Pandit, but ठीक है. Hi Harsh. Any questions you have, you can ask me. I'm here with you for some more time, and yeah, collective. Yeah, so let's go with the questions. कुछ question answers खेले. Then we can quickly talk about the last product, which is my favorite, and I want to have it because I love paintings in general. So I feel Lego में कैसे नहीं painting मैं collect करूँगी, वो मैं करने ही वाली हूँ for sure. तो उसके बारे में बताऊँगी आपको. But पहले चलते हैं और थोड़े से question answer वाले session कर लेते हैं. Okay, now you have to tell me true or false. Okay guys, so get ready, brace yourself. कौन कौन सुन रहा है? 700-800 लोग दिख रहे हैं मुझे, जल्दी से सुन लो. The Lego Group is one of the world's largest tire manufacturer. इसका तो मैंने हिंट दे दिया था लाइव में, जिसने लाइव देखा होगा बता दो. Is it true or false? Tell me fast. Is it true or false? Okay, I'm going to answer. If you don't answer in the next 30 seconds, I'll repeat the question. The Lego Group is one of the world's largest tire manufacturers. Is it true or false? Hey. Okay guys, I had said it. It's true, Sindhar. Thank you. It is true. It's absolutely true. I had mentioned it, you know, पहले. So, yep, it's true. If we line up all the Lego bricks, okay, ये बड़ा अच्छा question है. ये मुझे जानना है कि कौन बोलता है. If we line up all the Lego bricks produced in total, मतलब कितने produce होंगे आप सोच सकते हो. The line would almost complete the whole round of the earth. Is it true or you think it's false? मतलब अगर हम सारे लेगो के पीसेस जो आज तक मैन्युफैक्चर हुए हैं वो हम सबको एक साथ कर दें तो वो पूरे वर्ल्ड का एक it'll be make a round around the world. Do you think it's true or it's false? Tell me quickly. Tell me. Okay guys, मतलब I'm going to answer this one for sure, but yes, no Nikita Shah, it is false, of course not. मैं तो ऐसी फेंक रही थी यार, मैं सारी बातें. वैसे I am a very truthful person. मैं अपनी लाइफ में सब कुछ सारे रिव्यूज करेक्ट देती हूँ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलती. बट ये फॉल्स है, इसलिए मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि ये फॉल्स है. So the next question is the number of Legos. Okay, in 2012, Lego produced a number of bricks so big that they could be used to build a column long enough to reach the moon. चलो अर्थ का सर्कमफ्रेंस वाली बात मैंने कह दी. हरी वेंकटेश हाय. सो दे बिल्ड इतने सारे नंबर ऑफ ब्रेक्स दैट यू कुड रीच द मून. इज दिस ट्रू और दिस इज फॉल्स? इन 2012 दिस वॉज. जल्दी से गूगल करो, बताओ इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स. देखो मैंने आपको हिंट भी दे दिया, गूगल कर लो. फिर भी अगर आप नहीं करके बता रहे तो फिर ठीक है. कुछ गिव अवे चाहिए क्या किसी को? गिव अवे के नाम पे सबके कान खड़े हो जाते हैं. दिस आई हैव सीन सो मेनी टाइम्स. सो बस tell me it is true. They actually made so many bricks that they were so big that they could reach the moon. Can you imagine how interesting is that? Wow. To reach the moon, approximately 4 billion Lego bricks were, arey, ek second. To reach the moon, 4 million Lego bricks were made and and sold. So it was long enough to build a column that was long enough, like 45.7 billion bricks were produced to reach the moon. So that is the crazy part. Lego Duplo bricks can connect to normal Lego bricks despite 8 times larger number in size. Like I said, जो इनका interlocking system है वो बहुत ही unique है. तो जो Duplo है वो normal से भी connect किया जा सकता है. ये true है या false है? ओके आई एम गोना वेट. मैंने क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर भी दे दिया, बट फिर भी मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. जल्दी से बता दो, देन आई विल टेल यू द ट्रूथ. ओके गाइज, आई डोंट हैव टू मच टाइम, इसलिए फटाफट जवाब दो बिकॉज आई हैव टू शोकेस द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट्स अगेन. एक्चुअली ऑल दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर माई टॉप पिक्स. इतने सारे तो मेरे कार्ट में ही नहीं डाले मैंने आज, बल्कि लेगो का तो इतना वैरायटी है दैट आई कैन लाइक शेयर लिंक्स विथ यू गाइज विच आई एम गोना शेयर ऑन माई चैनल फॉर श्योर विथ यू, so you can go and pick up from there as well. So yes, it's true. The answer is true. Now because we don't have much time left and I have to assemble this last piece, and of course is this particular product is on a 35% discount, which is huge. So thanks to the summer sale, great summer sale. I like summers only because of sales. It's true. So Lego Adult Ideas, Vincent van Gogh, the Starry Night building kit. Okay, it's a world famous painting and I'm marking it here for you. It is on a 35% off. Again, ये इतने अच्छे डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा है ना अभी कि खरीद लेना चाहिए इसको. ज़्यादा टाइम मत वेस्ट करिए and just buy it. So this one is right now for 13,324 rupees only. Hi KS Fusion, how are you? Any questions? Bring it on. And yes, I think today's live has been fantastic. I've got some good responses and people have been watching. I don't know why you people don't write. So let me talk about this piece, which is, you know, Vincent van Gogh ka painting ka set, building kit. So you're going to actually build a painting also. So can you imagine the diversity from Harry Potter hat? We went to cars, we went to Pac-Man. I told you about my daughter using Duplo for you know, Frozen themes. Then we are right now going to painting. So you can imagine the kind of collection they have. And if you get into their collective items, oh my God, you can really make it big. And I have already spoken so much about the advantages. Let me talk about this set. This has 2,316 pieces. Again, 18 plus के लोगों के लिए बना है. It's for me and you. And of course our parents if they're interested and they build that interest, because I'm trying to really get my father-in-law into Lego, and I think it's very important to, you know. तो ये है, and creative collaboration with the Museum of Modern Art के साथ ये बनाया गया था. It incorporates a clever building technique to mirror brush strokes in original artwork. Can you imagine what kind of detailing has gone into this Lego? Wow. And it captures, you know, various colors which are the original colors of the painting. And it's, of course, it comes with a Vincent van Gogh mini feature, adjustable arm holding the painting brush. Wow, the palette in front. this is just sounding like a dreamy picture to me. It's a 3D art frame, ideal for display. So what do you get with just 13,000? Painting भी लेने जाओगे ना तो इससे महंगी मिल जाएगी किसी artist की. Just imagine you are getting the Lego of Vincent van Gogh, which you're going to build, which you can actually just keep in your house. So it is amazing, and with that was my last product. Any okay, so this was my last product. So I am going to right now finish my Harry Potter hat, and I'm going to wear it and say bye-bye to you guys, but I am just trying to fix it. Just the last bit is left. ये मैंने सारे निकालने हैं, इसका ये लगाना है. और any questions जल्दी से पूछ लो, because अभी फिर जाने का वक्त आ जाएगा. Then you will tell me कि ये पूछना था रह गया. But you can always connect this. Oh, I'm just messing up the last bit, but it's okay. I'm going to find this one. The slope is on the outside. The slope is on the outside. The slope is on the outside. I know that one. Oh, कुछ तो आ गया मेरे. And do you guys want to do a run through with this amazing? ये लिख गया. रुको, मेरे को निकालना पड़ेगा. मिल गया. Sorry. ये तो होता ही है with Lego. This, see, अगर आप हल्का सा भी इसको different angle में fit करने की कोशिश करोगे तो ये नहीं होगा. So that is the crazy part. Let me try doing this. Last leg. I have. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing, which is I want to take this out. And last चीज़ जो मैं सोच रही थी, so ये जो यहाँ पर sword रखा है ना, can you show this please? It's very interesting. So there is a sword that was kept here. Okay, and I had shown that sword to you. Now I'm going to take out the sword and I'm going to put this back in here. ये हुआ fit. ये हुआ fit. और ये sword छोटू सा I'm going to put here and let's see if it fits. Wait, let's see if it fits. I thought like this is what I'm creatively imagining. Oh, इसकी देख लो hat. Can you imagine? ये भी कितनी cute है यार. मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से fit किया था, मैंने खुद ही निकाल दिया. हो गया fit hat and हो गया ये, और ये इसके हाथ में आ गया. ये आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? No. With Lego ना ये आ तो जाएगा. आ गया. So guys, I finished it. I'm the warrior. And here, this was my creativity. Cheers. So some days when okay, there's a story behind this. Okay, so the days I want to fight with my husband, I'm going to put the sword, and the days I am going to wanting, मतलब जब मैं चाहूँगी कि भाई मेरे को dinner विनर पे ले जाए तो I'll put the glass. So let's see if he gets the hint or doesn't. But sword means fight and glass means cheers. I'm here to celebrate. I'm happy. So yeah, Lego can also help you emote better for a person like me. And let's see what it is. अरे Ravenclaw के अलावा कुछ और Gryffindor. Okay. So I am so grateful for this particular live. False truth. Thank you. Do you have Bentley logo model? Yes, I'm sure होगा. Please जाओ और check करो. मैंने निकाल के नहीं रखा है. But right now go on Amazon and check it out. You're going to have that model too. Buy it, assemble it, and if you're able to do it, share with me on my Instagram, and I'm going to share it ahead that you made it. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live because I really did. Thank you, Rahul Vasudev, for being here, for following me. Okay, now Lego is a brand. Let me just talk a little bit about it and we end. It helps your imagination. It's creative. It's fun. It's a learning experience. It's something that you can do together, and it also helps in building confidence. And they have different themes for all age groups. The product quality is fab. It's sustainable. It is reusable, and yeah, everything that you look for in a brand which deals with not only kids but with adults, and they deal with it with responsibility. So here's to Lego, and here's to me, and here's to the Harry Potter hat.
Ravenclaw!
Bye. Thank you so much.